In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and publish reports in Zoho Analytics. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred web browser and search for Zoho. You can also go directly to Zoho's website if you know the address. Once you're on the official site, sign in with your regular account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well to access your apps securely. After logging in, look for the app launcher and choose Analytics from the list of available apps. This takes you into your Analytics workspace. From here, open the specific report or dashboard you want to share. Reports typically show a single chart or table, while dashboards bundle multiple views together. Make sure you've selected the exact view that your audience needs. Now, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. The location can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it's usually easy to spot. In the Sharing panel, choose Share this view. Type in the email addresses or select groups that should have access. You can include a short invitation message to give context. Mention what the report covers or any filters they should apply. Before you send, review permissions if they're available, such as View Only versus options that allow recipients to export. When everything looks right, click Share. Your recipients will receive an invitation, and they may need to sign in to view the content, depending on your organization's settings. If you prefer not to share by email, click on the Embed Publish URL option. This generates a link to the current view that you can copy and share through other messaging tools like chat or project spaces. Be mindful of access settings here. Choose a link type that aligns with your data sensitivity, and avoid public links for confidential information. When you need to add the report to a website or an internal portal, select Embed. Copy the HTML snippet, usually an iframe, and paste it into an HTML block on your site or CMS. You can typically adjust width and height to fit your layout. If the embed options include controls for interactivity or refresh intervals, set them to match how often the data changes and how you expect viewers to use the page. That's it. You've learned how to share a view by email, publish a link, and embed a report or dashboard safely and cleanly in Zoho Analytics.